Hi students, welcome to the session here at Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I'm Aniruddha Sir, your physics faculty over here. And today we are going to talk about the BITSAT examination. Now BITSAT examination is the exam that you use to get into the Birla Institute of Technology. Now the full form of BITSAT is Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test. And for this, you have three main campuses that you get access to, which are the three BITS campuses. Obviously, the most famous one, the most popular one is BITS Pilani, but you also have campuses for BITS in Goa as well as in Hyderabad. So you have options in all three of them through BITSAT. Now, this is obviously a private exam. You only get access to those three colleges through BITSAT. So it's private exam. You don't have any government college options through your scores or your percentages in your BITSAT examination. And the exam duration is of 180 minutes, so it's a 3-hour long examination. The format of the exam is going to be completely online. You're going to have no offline options here, and even the language would only stay English. You have no vernacular options over there. The paper would be completely in English. The type of questions would be all MCQs. You will not have any numericals over here, and you would have a total of 130 questions. Now, as you will see, this 130 questions are distributed ununiformly between the different subjects. So you get an approximate time of 1.4 minutes for each question, which is a little on the higher side if you compare with other private engineering exams. You have 5 subjects. And you have the basic physics, chemistry and maths, but you also have English and logical reasoning. So these two are the extra parts that's different from JEE mains, and you would have to prepare a little with regards to them. Now the distribution of the marks is pretty different over here, because physics and chemistry have equal weightage, 30 questions each. Maths has a comparatively higher and the highest weightage among all of them at 40 questions asked from it. And English and logical reasoning, English has 10 and logical reasoning has 20 questions. So this part is still significant and you would have to prepare a little for them. Next is the marking scheme. Unlike many other private engineering examinations, BITSAT has negative marking. So you get +3 for correct answers and -1 for any incorrect answers. Of course, if you don't attempt, you don't get any positive or negative marks for that. There are 2 attempts for BITSAT every year. Here are the dates. So for phase 1, you would have it in the month of May from 21st to the 26th of May. And phase 2 would go from 22nd to the 26th of June of this 2024. The last date for filling up the application for BITSAT would be 11th April 2024. So make sure you do that on time. And the result declaration, again, this is the tentative date, 3rd July 2024. So this is tentative and would be announced properly much later on. If you want further details, you can always check out the URLs provided, where you would get all the further details that you might need with regards to the BITSAT exam. So that's it from this session, students. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Catch you all again in the next one.